Hi guys, in today's video I am showing you how to remove black screen in Capcut. This process is simple and easy. As you can see, I have a video with black screen and the text is written in screen. And I will make the black screen disappear, but the text will remain the same. So how can I do it? For this, import your video in Capcut on which you want to make this text appear. The next thing is tap on the video and take it to the timeline and paste here. Now adjust the size of the video. Once you have done, tap on the black screen, take it, and paste it on the top of your video. And if I play the video, you can see only the black screen, not the video. So now let's remove the black screen. Tap on the black screen and take your mouse on the right top. And tap on this option video. Once you will tap on it in this media, scroll down and find the option blend. And make sure it's enabled. If it's not, then make it on after tap on this option mode. And from this option, you have to select this screen. And you can see the black screen has been removed. And one more thing you can do here. You can also adjust the opacity of text. If I take this line on the left, you can see the text opacity is now decreasing. So arrange the opacity of text by yourself and export your video. But before exporting, let's have a final look of it. And it looks good. Now export your video by tapping on this export icon. And it was way by which you can remove black screen in Capcut.